Remind me not to talk.
Remind me not to talk.
Yeah, I was talking already.
You don't like to hear my voice? Oh. Yeah, but you're my, like when I do the unboxing, I'm explaining what I got. So I'll explain to you. Yeah. So this is, it's actually a tool for artists to, it's the human figure. And what it is very posable.
Oh, cool. So that's not an art action figure?
No, it's not. I mean, I guess you could if you wanted to decorate it, but it's more like to pose it so that you can draw that pose. So you can have a better idea of the proportions and the way it's, you know, the way the body is. It comes with hands. Oh, a base. Everything's clear. Okay, it makes sense because you're not. It's nice. So it has like articulated, you know, joints.
Small. I thought it was bigger.
Yeah.
Did you think it was bigger?
A little bit bigger. It's cool though. Although I think the neck is wrong. I think it should be reversed. It might well be. Will I be able to fix it? Look at the neck. I mean, it makes this looks like the Adam's apple. So it's facing backwards, right?
You can't just turn it around?
I don't know. Will it break? Try it. Oh, I don't want to break it.
Did you get a refund?
I don't know. Or maybe it just pops off. Oh, is that for me?
Read the instructions. I forgot to put, so.
Yeah, I'm sure it just pops off, but I noticed that right away. Something was awry. Yeah, it should be put face the other way. So it comes with the base. So like if you're, say you're like you want to draw like somebody flying, and you want to get the right body position, or jumping. So you would see, you would put it on the base, and then you would sit down and sketch it out, and then you'd have your. Yeah, the neck is definitely needs to go the other way. Doesn't make sense. I'll have to read the instructions. Thank you. It looks like it just pops in. Oh yeah. Figma archetype. Something Chinese writing. That's cool.
Did you order it from China or?
I don't know. I thought it was more local, but. What's this?
All these clear little pieces can get lost really easily.